Reliance Industries has kicked off the new financial year with its highest ever quarterly profit. For April to June 2025, net profit soared to Rs 26,994 crore, a staggering 78% jump from last year. This leap was partly due to a one-time gain from selling a stake in Asian Paints, which added Rs 8,924 crore. Even without this, core profits grew by an impressive 25%, proving the strength of Reliance's main businesses. The company's diverse arms, from telecom to retail to energy, are all firing together, driving this record performance. Reliance's smart strategies are paying off, setting a high bar for the rest of the year. For millions of Indians using Jio phones or shopping at Reliance Retail, this is a sign of a company that's strong, stable, and still innovating. Reliance's results send a clear message. It's not just growing, it's accelerating. The company's leadership has positioned it for even greater success ahead. Let's break down the big numbers behind Reliance's results. Revenue is the total money coming in, Rs 73 lakh crore this quarter, from all products and services. Net profit is what's left after paying all costs and taxes. The real earnings, which hit a record, Rs 26,994 crore. EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, shows how well the core business runs, and for Reliance it jumped 36% to Rs 58,024 crore. High revenue means lots of customers. High EBITDA means efficient operations. Record net profit means the company is truly thriving. These numbers aren't just for experts, they show Reliance's growth and strength in simple terms. The company's financial health is robust, and its performance impacts the entire Indian economy. Understanding these terms helps us see why Reliance's results matter. It's about scale, efficiency, and real-world impact. Reliance's numbers tell a story of momentum and market leadership. That's why these results are making headlines. Jio Platforms, Reliance's digital powerhouse, continues its rapid rise. Net profit jumped 25% to Rs 7,110 crore, driven by millions more joining Jio and using its services. Jio's 5G network now boasts over 213 million subscribers, one of the fastest global rollouts. Jio AirFiber, its wireless home internet, is now the world's largest, with 7.4 million customers. Average revenue per user, ARPU, rose 15% to Rs 288, showing customers are spending more. Jio is no longer just a mobile company. It's a complete digital services provider, connecting over 20 million homes. With its expanding 5G and broadband reach, Jio is transforming how India learns, works, and entertains itself. The digital India dream is becoming reality, one connection at a time. Reliance's entertainment arm, JioStar, a joint venture with Disney, had a blockbuster quarter thanks to the IPL. JioStar posted Rs 904 crore in revenue and Rs 581 crore in net profit, powered by record-breaking IPL viewership. The Jio Hotstar app was downloaded over 1 billion times, and IPL viewership hit 1.19 billion. JioStar now has 460 million monthly active users, making it one of the world's largest streaming platforms. It's not just about cricket. Movies, shows, and original content are drawing in viewers of all ages. JioStar is redefining digital entertainment in India, uniting sports and content under one roof. This success cements Reliance's place in every part of India's digital life. The partnership's first quarter shows huge promise for the future of Indian entertainment. JioStar is changing how a nation watches, celebrates, and connects. Reliance Retail continues its strong growth, with net profit up 28% to Rs 3,271 crore and revenue rising 11% to Rs 84,171 crore. The company opened 388 new stores in just 3 months, bringing its total to nearly 19,600 across India. With 358 million registered customers, Reliance Retail is the country's largest and most trusted retailer. JioMart's quick delivery service saw daily orders jump 175% year-on-year, showing the shift to online shopping. The blend of physical stores and digital platforms gives customers unmatched choice and convenience. Grocery remains the foundation, but fashion brands like Gap and Azorte are growing fast, with sales up 59%. Reliance's own brands like Campa-Cola and Independence are gaining traction, with sales of RS4 400 crore. The retail arm is meeting the diverse needs of Indian consumers, from daily essentials to new trends. Reliance Retail's expansion is reshaping how India shops. It's a retail revolution reaching every corner of the country. Reliance Retail has revived the iconic Kelvinator brand, acquiring it from Electrolux for Rs 160 crore. Kelvinator, once a household name for refrigerators, is set to make a comeback in India's home appliance market. This move taps into nostalgia and trust, appealing to both older and new customers. By owning Kelvinator, Reliance can control quality, design, and pricing, offering better products at competitive prices. The strategy mirrors what Reliance did with Campa-Cola, building a strong portfolio of in-house brands. Expect to see new Kelvinator products soon in Reliance digital stores nationwide. It's a smart play, blending old-world reliability with new-age reach. Reliance's oil-to-chemicals business remains the company's financial backbone. EBITDA grew 11% to Rs 511 crore, thanks to strong demand and better fuel margins. Revenue dipped slightly due to lower global crude prices and planned refinery maintenance, not business weakness. The GOBP fuel retail network expanded to nearly 2,000 outlets, with petrol and diesel sales up 35%, outpacing the industry. This division generates steady cash flow, funding Reliance's new ventures in digital and retail. Despite the global energy transition, demand for fuels and chemicals remains high in India. The O2C business is a stable foundation for Reliance's growth. It ensures the company has the resources to invest in the future. The engine room keeps Reliance powering ahead. Reliance is betting big on clean energy, aiming to become net zero carbon by 2035. Massive gigafactories in Jamnagar will soon produce solar panels and batteries at scale. The company targets installing 50 megawatts of solar modules and 175 megawatt-hours of batteries daily. Dedicated transmission lines will carry green power from Kutch to Reliance's industrial hubs. This end-to-end approach, from manufacturing to using clean energy, sets Reliance apart. The green energy push is both an environmental commitment and a huge business opportunity. As the world shifts to renewables, Reliance is positioning itself as a global leader. These investments will create jobs, drive innovation, and help India meet its climate goals. Reliance's green dream is fast becoming reality. Mukesh Ambani calls these results a sign of robust all-round performance and a bold vision for Reliance's future. The company aims to double in size every 4 to 5 years, a promise of relentless growth. Reliance's success means more jobs, more investment, and greater confidence in the Indian economy. For everyday Indians, it means better internet, more shopping choices, world-class entertainment, and improved fuel services. Reliance's growth touches millions of lives, from rural villages to urban centers. The company's achievements are not just corporate wins, they're milestones for India's digital and economic transformation. Reliance is firing on all cylinders, from energy to retail to digital. These results are a win for shareholders, the economy, and ordinary Indians alike. It's a story of ambition, execution, and a confident India moving forward. Reliance and India are growing together, shaping the future.